Hey everyone, in today's video we are learning how to put multiple photos in one frame using Canva. It is super easy and perfect for collages, posters or social media posts, so let's just get started. You can go over to canva.com on your browser for that and open it up and log in into your account if you're not logged in, and we can start by creating a design. Look out for the create option in the top left corner and select it. And you can start by selecting up a design canvas. So I'm just going to select an Instagram post. You can even customize the size. For now, we're going to use this one right here. And once you select up your size, here on your screen, you will be finding the blank canvas available. Now from the left hand side, you need to select the option for elements. Select it up. And once you select elements in the search bar here, go ahead and type in grids and hit enter, or you can even type in photo frames. I'm just gonna use a grid here. I'm just gonna use, let's say, this one right here. So you can select it up and you will be finding the grid. Here you will be finding different layout options. You can just go over and select the one you like and also drag it to your canvas if you prefer. Once you do so, you can select the option of upload here. So select upload. And we can start by dragging and dropping each photo into a frame. So we can start dragging and dropping it. I'm just gonna go over and drag and drop it, this one right here. On the first, on the second, I'm gonna use this one right here, and on the third, I'm gonna use this. So you can also go over and drag and drop your picture here, and the layout has been created. Even you can click on upload files and select the image from your own device and upload it here. And once uploaded, you can select the image and select the layout. You can just go over and adjust the pictures as well. You can zoom in or zoom out the frame, pictures inside the frame, etc. And even add background colors, text, stickers from the panel. And once you're okay with it, you can download your final design. For that, look out for the share option in the top right corner and select the option of download and download the version that you prefer, and you can go ahead and upload it wherever you want. So that is it, how we combine multiple photos into one frame using Canva. So do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.